Hi and welcome to Happy Yarny. Today, let's crochet this lovely Calla Lily keychain together. It's the perfect accessory for your bags and incredibly easy to make. To start, grab your favorite yarn colors and a dot-matching crochet hook. Grab your hooks and let's jump right in. Let's start with the petal. Begin with the magic ring. Then chain 2 and make 16 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch, then chain 2. Next, make 8 double crochet increases, which means putting 2 double crochets into each stitch. Then chain 3 and slip stitch into the third chain from hook. Then, make the remaining 8 double crochet increases. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Make 2 of these. Now for the stamen. Chain 12. Turn and start from the second chain from the hook. Slip stitches, and make 7 single crochets. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. You will need to make 2 of these. Now for the leaf. Chain 20. Turn and start from the second chain from the hook. Make 1 single crochet. Five half double crochets. Make 1/2 double crochet. One single crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make 1 single crochet. Make 1/2 double crochet. Then 5 double crochets. And another 1/2 double crochet. Next, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Then, crochet symmetrically on the other side. 1/2 double crochet. Five double crochet. One half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Then make 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, make 5 double crochets, another 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Then chain 1, make a slip stitch into the next stitch, and repeat this until the end. Use a little glue to attach the yellow stamen to the flower. To make the lanyard, attach the yarn, chain 50, make 1 slip stitch to connect it to the top of the flower. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you again in my next videos.